to the floor. They left a swimming pool of salted crimes. Oh, what could I do to change your mind? Nothing. I'm bracing for the pain and I am letting go. I'm using all my strength to get out of this hole. I hit a wall. I thought that I would hurt myself. Oh, I was sure your words would leave me unconscious. And on the floor, I've been like but I hit a wall. I hit a wall. Yeah, I hit a wall. I prayed that I would make it through. I can't survive a life that's without you, yeah. And I will rise up from the ashes now, For the sparrow flies with just the crumbs of loving.